Hi guys, it's Miss Jen from the Fairview Park Library, and I have a tip/game that families with children preparing for preschool or kindergarten can totally do together at home. So there's a lot of really great resources out there like flashcards, like your alphabet flashcards, colors and shapes, first words. That's great. It's awesome. But we're at home. We're not going out to the stores and we're not able to buy these things right now. So what do? You make your own. Just get paper, crayons. You can customize them with your favorite colors. So with an alphabet card, A does not always have to be for apple. It can be for alligator if you want it to be. And the kids can write their letter and draw their picture. And not only are they creating something artistically, as they're doing that, they're also retaining that knowledge in their head. They're learning and they don't even know it. Win! It's a really great activity and it's going to help promote learning during these times that we're at home. So when they do go back to school, their brains will be nice and sharp and in peak learning conditions. So get some paper, get some crayons, and get creating.